Yeah, good morning, good afternoon, everyone. So today we are discussing about the unit 4 of your entrepreneurship development. In that unit 4, we will discuss about that. The topic name is project management. In that project management, how the managers are, how the seniors persons, those who are the uh, those who are the those who are the what we can say that involving in the main role sector in our project site to design any product. So that person's work we have to know if we are become a that person position. So as like that work we will have to do. Okay, so now we will discuss about that project management, how the project management or how the project managers are giving a role in that project to design a perfect of the product. So now we will discuss about that. Inside of the project manager management, some different topics are there. First of all, we have to know what is the project management. In project management is like a typically one type of organized and into a various department. We can see this project management like in that production department, we can see purchase department, we can purchase marketing department, finance, personal, engineering and research and development. These are the different types of organizations are there. In that organization we can see and the role will be there, the project management. Okay, some of these line we can say about this organization has a line function, and the rest of the others are work like a staff functions. Okay, line functions. In that of line function project management, what was the work is line manager is nothing but like a principal responsibility, how the principal is taking the responsibility to achieve the goal of the aim of from the our CEOs or chairman sides of the companies or organization, or we can the institutions. So like that our principal is also doing well job in our in ISL engineering college to achieve some good goals and to give a good knowledge to the students. So like that the every senior person of the manager or associate person of the organization, they are wanted to achieve the good goals to make our company with a standard one. Okay, and here the staff managers will be there, and the principal and line managers is advising that the staff as well as, and he's having a capacity to handle the staffs and departments, and they the senior person like a managers and the principals are enjoying in administrative power because of they having a ability they, to handle the situation. That's why they are in that position, and they are enjoying also there that position, and they are not should and they are not should have to make a traditional form of organization in is not suitable for the project management. While you are working in that project management, you should not go for the traditional side of the organization to make that project management or to make our achievement of goal. You should not go the traditional side. Why you are not taking the any traditional organization suitable things to do a project management. So these are these are the things of line of manager. Now we will discuss here about the what are the reasons behind there in that project management. So we are here to discuss about the project management reasons. Just now we complete about what is project management and line manager. Okay, now we are discussing here about the reasons, what are the reasons behind that the project management, and which that reason should be for that reason should be follow in that project management while you are working there. Okay, The first one is project is a non-routine or repetitive undertaking, often plagued with many uncertainties. The second one is the relationship is a project setting dynamic, temporary and flexible, and a project requires a coordinates of the efforts of the person drawn from different functional areas and as well as contributions of external agencies. So these are the reasons are there, the three reasons are there. That's why in that regions we can say the project management of the persons or staffs will work together. Next is the project management consists of the some different management parts. Later we will discuss the what is project work. Project work call as for design. In that project work we can call as we can want to design and development and procurement of construction. Whatever the construction is there, we have to see that the procurement of construction and commissioning the work and giving that the work in that project management or project. That after that the consist of 5 project managements are there. The first one is based on these 5 project management, your total unit of the unit 4 will be based on. Okay, the project management consists of first one is forms of project organization, the second one is project planning, the third one is project control, the fourth one is human aspects of project management, the fifth one is prerequisites for successful project implementation. So these are the 5 different project management consists are there in that syllabus you have there. Okay, in that syllabus these are the topics are there. So now we will discuss each and every in that deep one. So what is forms of project organization is nothing but those who are the project managers are there and coordinators are there, they have to involve in that such a kind of activities and functions of various department as well as external organization to do a work. What is forms of project organization? Again I am repeating to you. The project forms of project organization is a project manager should have a responsibility or project coordinators to involve in such a good kind of activities and functions of various departments with that external organizations involved to do project work. Okay, in that we can see here the 3 types of organizations are there depending upon the authority of the project managers. So these 3 different organization level will be there. First is already we will discuss that just now, line and staff organization. Line means line manager and staff organization. Manager or staff coordination will be there, and by forming or by doing any project, and it can be best suitable for small projects, or we can say realization of project objective and effective unless the resources it can be best suitable for projects. The second one is diversional organization. What is diversional organization? Those who are the unnecessary duplication of specialist companies are there. They should have to allow a total each and every project. We can say that they should have to allow the each and every project. In this it is not possible to utilize the resources at the time of movement. The possibility is not there to utilize the resources effectively, but they can realize the project objective. Diversional organization is nothing but those having unnecessary duplication of specialist companies are there. That companies should have to utilize that company should have to allocate some projects, and that projects are not realized with that utilized with that resources, but sometimes they are realized with that project activities. Again, I am telling to you what is duplication. Diversional organization is nothing but diversional organization is like a duplicates of specialist company, and here we are allocating the total number of each and every project, and in that total we, after that allocating, that the possibility is not to utilize the resources, but the possibility is to realize the project objectives. Okay. The third one is matrix organization. Matrix organization, what is that matrix organization? It is also a type of organization. Here we are realize both project objective and efficiency of the utilize of resources. Here we are both types of organization is mixed with that matrix organization, like a line and staff organization and diversional organization. Both the organization work will be there in that matrix organization. Now you can see GM. GM means general manager projects. Okay. Next, electrical engineers. Inside of the engineers, the two types of engineers will be there. Sometimes commonly in that any company, the 2 or 3 different types of engineers will be there to form any project task. Operation should be there, purchase, finance. So these are the things will comes under in the general manager, and then general manager is watching and allocated to each and everyone to do a work at a proper level. Okay. The next is project planning. In that project planning, what we are doing here, without effective planning there may be choose, means without effective planning there may be choose. Choice means sometimes we are without any effective or without any focus, or we can say without any problem, we can easily get that the project planning, like a functioning of planning, like areas of planning. If we are considering these points without any effect, we can easily take that project planning. If we are considering these 3 points, okay, these 2 points, first one is functions of planning and second one is area of planning. If we are seeing these 2 points, and in that any project planning, now that time you can easily get that time you can easily take that planning to do a project. First one is functioning of planning, the second one is areas of planning, then next the third is the project objective, the fourth is work breakdown structure. So these are the 4. Then next the fifth is life cycle of project, then next is 6 is tool of planning. So these are the 6 project plannings will be there. If you are seeing this 6 project planning, you can easily get that planning without any affected area. Functions of planning means if you are seeing, if you are taking, if you are making any planning, so where the work will be there and how you will be allocating the work and giving the responsibility to each and every one, and how you will be communicate and coordinate between that project, that will comes under in project planning. So the next one is areas of planning. Now I am telling to you in the deep, so remember, so make sure to you have to attention while you are watching that video, each and every lecturer, not only me, others lecturers also. Now The second one is areas of planning. Here the areas of planning, what we are doing here means, in that areas of planning we are seeing project work, which project work activities must be spelled out in detail, means which work should have a do in detail. We have to do, we have to focus, we have to do work that properly, because of sometimes that is a very delegated work or synthetic work, we can say that. So areas of planning we have to see while we are performing any project. The third one is project objective. Well defined object and policies serve the decision to be made by the project manager. Project objective means whatever the project manager is derived some policies, that policy we have to take, and we have to clear the articulation of the priorities like that management will give, and that we have to enable, and after that we have to expeditious action. If sometime the policy, if sometime any problem will come, we have to take that the policy level, and we have to try to solve and try to take that action as per the policy level. That is comes under in your project objective. Next, the fourth one is work breakdown structure. Sometime the work is going on, but the work is not suitable on, we have to, work is not going a proper way, so that time we have to break down the structure, has to be integrated with the project organization, and then we have to tell that the project organization and cause and building the vertical breakdown of work. Sometimes the vertical breakdown of the structure will be there, and as well as with the project organization structure, we have project management, we have to tell about that all details and result delineation of project tasks, which tasks we are doing, and which are the specific responsibilities of organization, and we have to see which are the specific responsibilities is there from the organization or from the manager, and we have to see, and then we tell to that manager level the technical make given to the project task is cost account. Means what we can say, if sometime the technical problem will be there, and we have to intimate our seniors, and then it will goes to the some cost account sign. Cost account sign is nothing but which is defined in fairly concerned terms, means what in that terms and condition what we are defining, and that condition depending on that condition the cost account will be there. So for which a single person responsible, and for a single person, or for a groups of person will be there, they will allow to budget of expenditure and manpower requirement can be prepared meaningfully. Means here what we are saying, after the issuing of solving a problem, we have to allowing the manpower and some technical skills to prepare a meaningful or correctful operation. Next, the fifth one is life cycle of project. This is very important, because of if we are doing that project, whatever the wastage will be there and how we will be utilize that wastage, that is a very important while you are doing a job in that engineering field, because of engineers know how to use that wastage. So you all having a good good knowledge in that different kinds of subjects. I know that, and you are all having the students of final year mechanical engineer compared to your last senior batch, that also are good persons, and you are now you are all a good very well persons, because of you are interested to learn and do a work. So I hope inshallah you will be get a good job after the completion of your engineering. So like that you have to, while you are working in that any organization, how you will be utilized at the project developments areas and preliminary engineering, bidding and contract negotiation, engineering design, purchase and procurements, construction, commissioning. So these are the areas are there, you have to focus on this. Okay. Next, the sixth one is tools of planning. The oldest forms planning tool is the bar chart, multiple activity chart. In the last 4 decades, in that olden years, the 4 decades for before the in that olden years, the last 4 decades, multiple activity charts will be there. As per chart, we are planning that the tool of planning here. Then the times in week from project chart. So here we are saying the 10 days time to design. In that 7 days we are represented. Next, purchasing of part, that is not a big issue. We can see, we can take 2 hours, 2 days. Fabrication 16 days. Assembly, after that we have to assemble the our product. So these are the project planning techniques. The next, project control, we will discuss in the next class. Thank you for watching my video. Make sure to give me your attendance after the completion of video, and you already know about on the 9th of June you are having a first internal exams. So be prepare, as well as you are having a project review also. So all the best for that. Allah Hafiz.